Hi, welcome to Tech Helper, and this is Technician Gaurav. We all use computers for our work or entertainment purposes. At times when our computer runs slow, we face hard time to work on it. So, the computers require cleanup after some certain time period. And by cleaning up the computer from junks and unnecessary programs, it performs faster and becomes more efficient. Here are the most simple steps to clean up the computer. Take a look on your computer keyboard. On the extreme bottom left hand corner, there is a Windows button. You need to press and hold down the Windows button and simultaneously press button R. There is a run box pops up. In that run box, you have to type prefetch and then press enter. You can see there are many junk files. We have to delete all of them. We will press Ctrl and letter A button. So it has selected all of these files and I'm gonna delete all these files. I'll press Shift plus delete button. Then I'll press enter. Okay, now it comes with a box which says try again, skip and cancel. We have to check this box first and then we will click on skip. Okay, it has been completed, and don't worry about these two files which are left. Now we will close this window. We will press the Windows and R button again. Now we will type temp and then press enter. Okay, you can see there are a couple of files, but not much because I clean up my computer regularly. So that's why there are very few files. I'll select all of them and now I'll delete them by pressing Shift and delete button simultaneously. Okay, now the same box pops up again. I'll check this box and click on skip. Okay, it has completed. Now I'll close this window and I'll press Windows and button R again. Now I'll type percentile temp percentile. If you don't know how to put percentile, I'll guide you how to do that. On your keyboard, there are numeric keys. On the top left hand side, there is numeric 1, 2, 3, 2, 0. So there is number 5 key. On number 5 key, there is a percentile character. So in order to put that percentile character, you have to press and hold down the shift button on your keyboard, and by pressing and holding it down, you have to press button 5 simultaneously, and then you will get this percentile character. So by typing percentile temp percentile, I'll click on OK or I'll press enter button. Okay, there are few of the junk files. I'll delete all of them. I'll click on skip. Alright. Now there is another step. We will press Windows and button R again. And now we will type Control and press enter. So after we press enter, you can see there is a control panel box opens up. It has many icons in it. One of the options says programs. I'll click on programs. Now I'll click on programs and features. You can see it shows all of the programs which are installed in this computer. So I'll find those programs which are not necessary in this computer, because if I install any unnecessary programs in this computer, that consumes the space of the computer, which makes the computer slow. So I'll find the unnecessary programs in this computer. Okay, you can see uh, I it looks like I don't have any unnecessary program in my programs of the computer, because I do clean up regularly on this computer. But to show you how to uninstall some program from this computer, I'll select one program which is named as WinRAR. I'll select it, and after selecting it, on the top you will see an option which says uninstall. I'll click on uninstall. Alright, now it's asking for my permission, that do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. You have to select yes. Okay, now I'll click on yes again. Alright, so it has uninstalled this program, and I'll close this window down. And the last step for this cleanup part is disk cleanup. You have to go to this search box of your computer on the bottom left hand corner of your computer screen. So in this search box you have to click on it, and you have to type disk space cleanup. So I'll click on this tool which says disk cleanup. Alright, so in this box it says select the drive you want to clean up, and it shows Windows C drive is already selected. And you have to remember that every time you do the disk cleanup, you always have to select Windows C drive. So it is already selected. I'll click on OK. Alright, now there are few options that says what folders do I want to clean up from the computer. So the very first thing says downloaded program files, so we always have to check it. And second thing is temporary internet files, we have to check it as well. And there is delivery optimization files, we have to check it too. We should not select downloads, because we might have some things in our downloads folder which we don't want to delete from the computer, so we don't have to check the downloads. We can check recycle bin, we can check temporary files. Alright, so now we will go to the bottom and click on OK. So it's asking, are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? So we should click on delete files. Alright, it has completed. Now the cleanup part is completed, and we can work on this computer. And please don't worry, this cleanup process doesn't delete your personal files and folders from the computer. Thank you so much for watching.